Good evening and welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for July 21st through August 2nd. We're going to first look at the period for July 21st to 25th and the models and ensembles forecast trough over the eastern U.S. See here on the GFS, a fairly weak trough because we're above normal heights here. And we have a ridge over the western U.S. The trough over the eastern U.S. is forecast to lift out early next week, leading to an amplified pattern. An upper low pushes southward along the western Canadian coast over a building ridge in the Four Corners. The upper low will then amplify over the Great Lakes by the middle of next week. We're going to look at the period for the 24th to 28th, and the models and ensembles are forecasting a trough over northern Alaska, a weak trough was forecast in the east, as I said here, with the ridge over the west, mainly settled here across southwestern U.S. That's the GFS. We're going to look at the GFS ensembles, the European deterministics, and this is the European ensembles. And as said here, it's a fairly weak trough here over the eastern U.S. So during this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures for this area here, and for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation for this region. Next is the period for July 29th through August 2nd. And the models and ensembles are in good agreement with this forecast period, and I'm going to go to the models now. If I have a second, they're in a good agreement with the ridge over the southwest and trough in the east. And if I can get the models to show up. Okay, here we go. We're going to look at the models at the 29th. We're at the 29th, and this is the 29th, and I want to show you here that the GFS is more amplified with this trough over the eastern U.S. during this period, with above normal heights here. Now, the other models are less aggressive in this pattern. This is its ensembles. Its ensembles has is weaker with the trough, but also has a ridge here in the southwest. And this is the European ensembles and the Canadian ensembles. Canadian ensembles has a ridge over the southwest, but also has almost a zone of flow with weaker heights over the eastern U.S. So during this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures here, below normal temperatures for the northern mid-Atlantic and the northeast. And for precipitation, I'm calling for above normal precipitation here. This could be good news for this area, and below normal precipitation for this region here. So that is the long-range weather forecast discussion for July 21st through August 2nd. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.